Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make rice thattai. Take 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder in a bowl and add 2 teaspoons of garlic paste. Add a little water and mix well. Keep it aside. Take 2 cups of roasted rice flour in a mixing bowl and add two tablespoons of gram dal, 3 sprigs of chopped curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of red chilli flakes, 5 crushed garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of Asafoetida powder, the chilli garlic paste, a little salt, and 1 tablespoon of refined oil. Add water little by little, knead well and prepare the dough. It should be in the consistency of chapati dough. Now make small balls of the dough. Grease a food grade polythene sheet with a little oil and place 6 balls on it. Cover it with a greased polythene sheet. Now press it gently with a tumbler and flatten the balls. Heat oil in a thick bottomed pan over medium flame and deep fry it. Flip it over and fry it till it turns crispy and golden brown. Now it is ready. Take it out. Rice thattai is ready to serve. Serve it with hot tea or coffee. Please try it out and post your feedback.